What's so pro about the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2? Let's take a look. Now you can see more with our new head-to-toe video, so you'll never miss what's on your porch. Hear more with HD audio that delivers our cleanest sound yet.
Come on, Callie, we're going now. Hey, girl!
Hi, I'll be right down.
Can't make it to your phone? Let Alexa do the talking.
Delivered for John.
Please leave the package behind the railing.
And no more with bird's eye view, so you're aware if someone's there and where they've been.
Hello?
Hi, cable guy.
Nah.
You're right. I'm not.
The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 works with your other Ring devices and beyond for the most seamless experience out there. If someone's at the door,
Hi, can you let us in?
you can let them in.
Nope, I'm out.
If your lights sense motion, you'll know who's there. If your alarm is triggered, your doorbell starts recording automatically. And you can control it all from one convenient place, the Ring app. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. It's smart security made simple.